Now we're going to get into chapter 14 of Stallcup's generator, transformer, motor, and compressor book. We're going to go through basic motor theory. Now, if you notice in the illustration, we have a regular permanent magnet here, and we're kind of comparing this magnet with your motor, showing the rotor, the poles, and the magnetic field. Now notice the rotor picks up a magnetic field from these poles. And I'm kind of using a magnet to demonstrate this. It's kind of, what they showed us when uh, I went through school on this. But notice the magnet. You have that field north to south and south to north, and they call that the force field. The soft iron type magnet ties us by the field of the permanent magnet. So this soft iron uh, uh, is magnetized by the field. And as long as it's in there, it's magnetized, see. Now, the only thing we have to do is to make sure that we have a push and pull motion of these magnetic field poles. They have to change. And on alternating current, we know that will take place. And then as these poles change, it'll push and pull that rotor through it. But for right now, we're producing a magnetic field, either by electricity, electrifying the poles, or showing you a permanent magnet, just exactly what has taken place. And as we draw that magnet and put it in that field, it magnetizes it just like it does the rotor in the illustration to the left of your permanent magnet. And that's what this figure 14-1 is showing, the theory of a motor to folks that are interested in knowing basically how a motor basically operates. And we'll get into more of it in the next illustration. And I would like to remind you, if you don't mind, if you enjoy these videos and you feel like the videos are helpful to you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything to do that, and it certainly would help us a great deal. And I thank you for it, if you're able to do that for me.